What's up, guys? Fredo back with another video. So today I'm using a Cerakote or Cerakote, can't remember the name. It's a kit to clear headlights. This is my wife's car, but originally I actually started with my car and then I worked on her car. I know you guys haven't seen the Civic yet, but this is it right here. The headlights are really yellow. I'll put an image of how it used to look like right now, and you'll see that that's how it looked like, and this is how it looks like now. I have to wait a whole hour for it to cure, so it might look better once it's cured, but I have to wait a whole hour and I have to make sure that no water gets to it. There's currently 55 more minutes left. But it looks really good. I think I did a pretty decent job. This is my first time ever trying to do this. I've never done it before. So, yeah, I think it came out pretty good. And I didn't really care how it came out, to be honest, because originally, like I said, I want to get an FT2 front end. So, yeah, I think I did a decent job. I started off with masking the edges right here because it requires you to sand. So, I did that, and then I also did it on my wife's car, and I used the tape to help with sanding too, just so I don't, you put the masking tape on the edges so you don't damage the paint of the car. And it's called Cerakote ceramic coatings. But yeah, so I did my wife's car. Her headlights are really bad, so it really didn't do too good of a job. If anything, the kit came with the 1000 and 2000 grit. Hers probably needs like a 4000 grit or something. 4000, 3000, then 2000, then 1000, because it's really bad. But mine on my SI, they weren't too bad, which is why they look really good right now. So yeah, it's gonna take a whole hour to cure. And I'll actually show you how my wife's car looked like before and after. It looks decent. Like I said, it looks better than what it was, but it's still pretty bad because you can see a lot of the clear just coming off right here. And that's just how it is. This car is old. It's probably mostly been outside. Before my wife's ownership, it was already kind of there. I tried working on it once, took them off, and tried to clear it myself, but I did a terrible job. I should have bought something like the Cerakote kit. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys. I'll be doing other stuff to this car soon. This is what I really wanted to do first, though, because the yellow headlights, it really made the car look ugly and old. Even though it is an old car, but it made it look really ugly. But yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. At the end of this video, I'll show you how it looks like cured with the photo. And then I will include some photos that I will be taking of the car tomorrow. So I'm gonna detail it and everything. So the car's gonna look phenomenal with the shots. So I might suck making videos, but I don't want to brag or anything. But I'm not the best at taking photos, but I'm better than most of the population because I actually do take photos to get paid on the side. So like that's one thing I actually can do. Putting videos together, I'm terrible at it. So yeah, looks good. Well, alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'll post up the before and afters now, or the afters. Alright guys, take care, peace.